Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your...
Got a burger. I'm gonna go put that on the grill in a second. Throw a little cheddar cheese on there. Make it with some pickles and some mayo on this toasted bread. And of course just add some peanut butter to it. What? Mike Foster here. This is it. This is a cheeseburger with peanut butter. You know, all the fancy restaurants are trying it. I keep reading in magazines and seeing on menus that they add peanut butter. This guy, beautiful peanut butter. This is made just with Valencia peanuts, nothing else. They add it to their anything. I've made fried eggs with peanut butter. Check out that link. I have that added here. But it's going to be a cheeseburger. I've never had it. Me, Foster, has never had a cheeseburger with peanut butter. Ah, it smells good. Today's the day. Meet you at the grill. All right, let's open that grill up. This sucker is at, what is it? 500 degrees. This is gonna grill right up, put that baby right in the middle. Listen to the sizzle. I'm gonna give that 6 minutes on that side and then we'll flip it. See you then. All right, let's open this baby up. It's been 6 minutes. Take a look at it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give it the crosshatch here, so we're gonna just put it like that. I'm going to give it another few minutes on this side, flip it, and then put the cheese on. I'm seeing 4. All right, let's give this guy a flip. There he is. Look at that. He's puffing up. Oh, yeah, he's perfect. Put this guy on. Cover this up till that cheese melts, so that'll be ready. All right, this is toasted and slightly buttered. I'm going to put mayo on one side. Peanut butter and mayo. Now it's getting kooky. And pickles on top of that. Here's this beautifully cooked burger right there. Now everything seems kind of normal until you get the peanut butter. We're gonna load the peanut butter on right here. Look at it. Load it on. This is where it gets kooky. Peanut butter, cheeseburger. Is that enough peanut butter? I think there it is. Flip it. Press it. Ready for the sliceroo? This baby's juicy. Oh yeah, Miss Lucy. Oh, that's a reveal. That's a baby. Close up coming up. There's that peanut buttery mess. Look at it. You can see the peanut butter dripping right there. It's a cheeseburger with peanut butter. Here comes Mike's first taste ever. Peanut butter cheeseburger, cheeseburger with peanut butter. I don't care what you call it. Let's see if we're going to call it delicious or a huge mistake. I'm getting dueling mayo, peanut butter, with the cheese and the meat in the middle, crunching on that pickle, trying to get his 2 cents in there. I'm a little confused by this. Let me try this one right here. I wouldn't throw it out of bed for eating crackers. But I think we need to leave these 2 combos alone. I'm not really sure if it's working. But I would try it. I try all my recipes at Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I've never had anything so atrocious. But he still eats it. Oh. Something wrong with this. Maybe it's the mayo. Very disturbing. Sweet babble. I don't like it.